Okay, so now we have a new scene in Blender. We're gonna start to set up the scene. We're gonna build the roof, the floor, the walls, the windows, and that'll be it for this tutorial. So let's delete all these things, and I'll hide the properties panel. And well, I'll go to top view. Let's hit 5 to go into orthographic view. Shift A, plane. I'll scale it 10 units. Okay, and this is gonna be our floor. So now I'm gonna Shift D and I'll just calculate how tall I want it. Let's say like this. And let's grab it on set 1 unit. Grab it on set. I'll put -2. Okay. And I want to get rid of my grid, so I'll go to the property panel, go to display and grid floor. So I got rid of that. I'll just hit it and I'm gonna keep working. Okay, so Shift D to duplicate this object. I'll go into this mode, rotate on Y 90 degrees. Okay, and now I'll move it here. And I'll just grab these points from the top and leave it just a tiny bit up there, because that's how I want it, just crossing, so there is no light coming through. At some point I might have to merge it if we get some artifacts, but we'll just wait and see what happens. Okay, so let's rotate this on set 90 degrees. Let's go to 7. Okay, now I got that corner. Shift D. Go to 7. Okay. And now I got pretty much what I'll be using for the room. And which window should I work on it first? I think I'll go ahead and work on this one. Okay, this one, as you saw on the in the scene file that I show you at the beginning in the introduction to the project. Well, this one you don't need a lot of detail because you won't even see it in the final render. You only get that shadow hitting the sofa. Okay, so now I'm gonna place the window here. So okay, there we go. Okay, and finally, no, actually I need one more. And that's for this window, so I'll delete the face, and same here. So I'm done with that one. I'm just gonna center the origin to the geometry and I'm gonna hide it. Okay, I'm also gonna hide the roof. We won't be modifying it, so let's hide it and let's work on this part, on the other window. Okay, so let's add loops. I think this should be fine. I'll get rid of this one. Delete edge loop, I don't need it. I think this was too far away. Okay, I'll just add one more. And okay, it's just still a little bit big. Okay, so I'm gonna extrude and pull it and extrude again, scale and scale on Y, extrude again, and I'm gonna keep that wall as a window, but I'm gonna separate it. Okay, so now I'm gonna center the origins, set origin to geometry, Same with this one. Same with this one. Well, I think this one is on its middle. So there we go. Now we got the scene, the roof, and the floor, and the walls, and the windows. Okay, and let's leave it here for this setting up the scene. Okay, so let's move on.